Hello viewer, here is a plain design. We have to use there, create the different structure around it. We will keep on making the newer designs. So let's explore the further options. We have to made it again. So there it is, a new shape designs. Let's explore the further one. Add a paint and then use the eraser tool. Thank